Hello students, Jai Swaminarayan. We have seen first 4 questions from exercise 13.3 in our Zoom class based on surface areas of cone. Now we will see the remaining questions. Yes, hope that you have learned the formulae. Yes. Now here in question number 5 it is given that we have to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and radius 6 meter from a rectangular piece of cloth of which breadth is 3 meter. We have to find the length of that cloth. Yes, one additional thing is given that the 20 centimeter of the cloth is required for stitching margin and wastage in cutting. Yes, so we will find the length of the cloth required to make the tent. Now here when we are considering about the conical tent, so obviously we are considering the CSA of cone. Yes. Now what is the formula to find the CSA of cone? It is pi r L. Now if you will see, L is not given here. Yes, but we can find L from H and R. For that we know the formula. L is equal to L is slant height, which is equal to under root of H square plus R square. What is the value of H? 8. So 8 square plus R is 6. 6 square, 8 8s are 64 and 6 6s are 36. In that way you will get L is equal to under root of 100, that is L is equal to 10 meter. Now here we got L, we will find the CSA of tent. Yes, that is CSA of cone. So CSA of cone, it is very important to write the formula. It is pi r L. Now here in the question it is mentioned to take pi is equal to 3.14, radius is 6 and L just now we have calculated it is 10. So it will be this into 10 will be 31.4 into 6. Then this calculation 188.4, it will be meter square. This is CSA of cone. Now this cone is made from a rectangular cloth. So we will equate the area of rectangle to CSA of cone to get the length of that rectangular cloth. So here area of rectangle is equal to area of or CSA of cone. Better we will write CSA of cone. Yes. So what is the area of rectangle? You know it is length into breadth. And this we got as 188.4. Breadth is given to us. So we have to find the length. So length is equal to breadth is 3. So it is 188.4 by 3, that is equal to 62.8 meter square. Yes, but it is given that 20 centimeter extra length is required for stitching margin and that is wastage in cutting. Yes, so we have to add that 20 centimeter. Sorry, here it is length will be in meter, not meter square. It is not area, it is length. So it will be in meter. So that 20 centimeter we have to add. So what will be the original length? Original length of that cloth. Original length of cloth will be equal to this length 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter. Now convert this 20 centimeter into meter. It will be 62.8 plus 0.2 meter, that is equal to 63 meter. So 63 meter will be the length of the cloth of which breadth is 3 meter, and from that we can make the conical tent of height 8 meter and radius 6 meter. Now here in question number 6 it is given that the slant height of the conical tomb is 25 meter and the diameter is 14 meter, we have to find the cost of whitewashing its CSA at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Yes. Now this concept of surface areas is very important to find the cost of whitewashing the solid shapes. Yes. Now here it is asked to find the cost of whitewashing that conical tomb. Its CSA, cost of whitewashing its CSA. That tomb is what we call in Hindi as Maqbara. Yes. For finding the CSA, we have to know the value of R, but here radius is not given but diameter is given. We know that how to get the radius from the diameter. Diameter divided by 2 will give you radius. So in that way you will have radius is equal to 7 meter. The next step is to find the CSA of that cone. Yes. So CSA of cone will be equal to pi r l. Now value of pi. It is not mentioned to take the value of pi as 3.14. So we will consider it as 22 by 7. Radius is 7 and the slant height L it is 25. So this will get cancelled, and what we are getting CSA of cone is, now multiply this 550 meter square. This is the CSA of that conical tomb. Now we want to find the cost of whitewashing. So cost of whitewashing, we know that cost is equal to that area into rate. So that area, it is nothing but CSA into rate. So what is the CSA? It is 550. Now rate is given as 210 rupees, 210 per 100 meter square. So in that way we will write, then this 0 will get cancelled with this, and here this 0 will get cancelled with this. Whatever we will get is in rupees. Multiply this, 21 5s are 105, 10 carry, 105 plus 10, 115. So what is the cost of whitewashing? It is rupees 1155. In question number 8, it is given that a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Look here, it is mentioned recycled cardboard. We know that we can reduce the wastage by recycling the things. Yes. Each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter and height is 1 meter. If outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is given as rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these 50 cones? Yes. Now here it is mentioned to take pi is equal to 3.14, and here it is given under root of 1.04 is equal to 1.02, where we will require, we will see. Now here first of all we will find the CSA of one cone. Yes, because here it is asked to find the cost of painting the outer surface of, or the conical surface of that hollow cylinder. Yes, so we will find the CSA. Again, for finding CSA we will require radius. Diameter is given, from that you will get radius is equal to 20 centimeter. Now here if you will see, height it is in meter whereas radius is in centimeter. So we will convert it into meter, that is 0.2 meter, because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So it will be 0.2 meter. Yes. Now we will try to find CSA, but again for finding the CSA we require slant height L, which is not given, but radius and height is given. So from that you can find slant height L, which is equal to under root of h square plus r square. Now value of H is 1, whereas value of R is 0.2. So 1 square is 1 and 0.2 square will be 0.04. Now here L will be equal to under root of 1.04. Look, for that reason the value already is given. But if it is not given, we know how to find the under root of such numbers, decimal numbers, by long division method. So in that way you will get the value of L is equal to 1.02 meter. Yes. Now we got L. We will try to find CSA of cone. CSA of cone is equal to pi r L. Yes. So pi given 3.14, r it is 0.2 and L 1.02. Now go for this multiplication. First of all we will do this multiplication. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. 1 2 3. So it is 0.628 multiplied by 1.02. Okay, let's do that multiplication. 0.628 into 1.02. Six 4 0 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 0.64056. Now this is the CSA of one cone. In that way we are having total 50 cones. Yes, and we have to find the cost of painting. So here we will find the cost directly. Cost is equal to area into rate. Now area into rate, but here we have to whitewash or paint. We have to paint 50 cones. So whatever the area of one cone we are getting, we will multiply it by 50 so as to get the area of 50 cones. Multiply by rate, which is 12 per meter square. Yes. So first of all we will multiply these two. So this is 32.028 multiplied by 12. So cost is equal to rupees multiplied by 12. It is 384.336. So which is nearly equal to, we can write rupees 384.4. In that way we can get the cost of painting that 50 hollow cones.